The ANC veteran and former Gauteng Premier Sexwale believes that the former President Jacob Zuma is making a mistake and he needs to reconsider going back to the African National Congress. He was speaking on Newsroom Africa when asked about Jacob Zuma, about his party, Umkhonto we Sizwe Party, and if it's the reason why he's now campaigning for the African National Congress. He said he was campaigning for ANC because it's under attack, and he doesn't want to talk about Jacob Zuma because he's not there to decampaign others. They are decampaigning poverty and successes that they haven't made in terms of health and schools. He further said that it's not too late for Comrade Jacob Zuma and other comrades to reconsider their positions and come back to the ANC. He's not there to mud other people. He further said that he's admitting that there are many mistakes done by the African National Congress, even crimes done by the organization. He said that the ANC should renew itself. They cannot just sit and wait to hear shortcomings, mistakes and crimes for the police or Zondo when there are people who infiltrated ANC via backdoor. ANC must create proper systems to deal with these mistakes so that the crooks shouldn't enter into the African National Congress. The governing party has a duty to close the funds from those crooks. The journalist also asked him about Jacob Zuma's cases and how does he feel about Zuma using their name Umkhonto we Sizwe for his party and the ANC failing dismally in court to win the battles with Zuma. Sexwale said that he joined the underground ANC in the early 70s in Soweto through Winnie Mandela, and he joined Umkhonto we Sizwe as the member of the ANC. When he was in varsity in Swaziland, he was also commanded by Thabo Mbeki, working together with Jacob Zuma. People shouldn't be distracted. Umkhonto we Sizwe was formed by African National Congress. He's making an appeal to his comrades to come back and rejoin the ANC. He's not rejoicing seeing one another suspending each other and fighting. At the end of the day, they are ANC members, and it's heartbreaking. It's a headache. It's painful for them to see comrades who have accumulated many years, like Comrade Jacob Zuma, and that he's our former president. He really needs to reconsider their positions. It's never too late. It's not nice to see Jacob Zuma's name being thrown out just like that. A mistake has happened here. When asked about Ramaphosa, because he once said that Cyril was blue-ticking him.
He doesn't owe me any explanation. He's the leader for our campaign and did all those type of things.
What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.